After 2 years in a distant galaxy, in-person events return back to Earth. Maximize attendee satisfaction by fast QR code scanning. And say goodbye to the endless queues thanks to the combination with the possibility of printing. Directly from the Happenee app. Allow the attendees to plan networking meetings according to their will. And maximize your brand outreach with a fully branded mobile or desktop app Happenee. This way you will share any information with attendees easily and effectively. Follow all activities in real time and proceed any data leaks thanks to a platform that meets the strict ISO standards. There is no need to hurry with the evaluation of the event. The complex data are available according to your needs, even after the end of your event. Use all of that and much more comfortably in one place.